ari mohoro ma Friday ya muthia ya mweri uyu wa Mei. Na karibu tutwarithane nawe ikinya gwa ikinya nginyagia mahinda ma gutiriha ndire wika no inde turatithane na memerekia na njira ya cieko etagwo Lauren Wamboi. Njitagwo Francis Wairura na turambire na riboti igi igoti kurugamia waki wa ceceni ya murimo wa Ebola. Kuona Kenya makuretwo na ciuria nyingi ciĩgie uhoro wĩgie murimo wa Ebola, igoti nene ria guku bũrũri-inĩ nĩrĩthiĩte na mbere na gukorwo rĩrũgamĩtie kwa ihinda uhoro wĩgie waki wa ceceni ya kũrigita murimo wa Ebola kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia. Oho kũrerĩkana atĩ kĩama kĩa mawakiri gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ no gĩthiĩte igoti-inĩ ona kĩona kũregana uhoro wĩgie waki wa ceceni ĩno ĩrĩa kũrerĩkana atĩ ĩrakwo harĩ ũnyitanĩri wa thirikari ya bũrũri wa Amerika na thirikari ya bũrũri wa Kenya.
Okay. Hapana, tunakuja papa. Nana kuzaleta baba.
Les petits chapeaux là.
Les petits chapeaux non. Voilà.
So ithu taikari ya Laikipia ni turaire ciuria nyingi muno tondu thirikari iramekire decision iyo ita involvete andu a Laikipia na ndineka public participation nigetha kila mundu aigwe ni akoretwo involved nigetha tuone maundu muciuria ile ciothe tungirahotafataria kuria mbere ya that setup ya nyamu iyo ya quarantine gwikirwo guku Laikipia kicio icio ni ciacokio wako ni ta thirikari tuyuria cikwagire tuyuria atiri.
Okay. Hapana, tunakuja papa. Nana kuzaleta baba.
Les petits chapeaux là.
Les petits chapeaux non. Voilà. Il faut d'abord
na tuliecigie ohoro wĩgie mũrimũ ũyũ wa haho wa Ebola ni ati aikari kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia na kuria kũrerĩkana atĩ ceceni ĩno ya Ebola ĩgũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo ĩgĩakwo no mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo manyitanĩire na Kenya harĩ gũkorwo makĩheana mawoni matiganĩte. Aingĩ ao rĩu maroiga atĩ waki wa thibitarĩ ũyũ kana ceceni ĩno ya kũrigita mũrimũ wa Ebola nĩ ũgwati mũnene kuona atĩ ona thirikari ya bũrũri wa Kenya ndĩrĩ na ũhoti wa gwĩtiria marũrũ ma Ebola.
So ithu taikari ya Laikipia ni turaire ciuria nyingi muno tondu thirikari iramekire decision iyo ita involvete andu a Laikipia na ndineka public participation nigetha kila mundu aigwe ni akoretwo involved nigetha tuone maundu muciuria ile ciothe tungirahotafataria kuria mbere ya that setup ya nyamu iyo ya quarantine gwikirwo guku Laikipia kicio icio ni ciacokio wako ni ta thirikari tuyuria cikwagire tuyuria atiriri thirikari itaricite atia kudil na outbreak ya Ebola ego collaborate ati na county government ego andu wa Laikipia na particularly ikari ya Laikipia East na magoikara hakuhe na quarantine hiyo ni measures ile kwa thirikari ego kuhakikisha kwamba uti na infection cikumana na quarantine hiyo gukorwo iharugo na tali highway base kuna ginya cukuru ciku na ciana na andu ma intact na omeku thirikari gwikira measures ile kuna ni kuhakikisha kwamba kana ku make sure ati gutinega na infection ciumana na uhoro ucio so ithu taikari ya Laikipia
muno ni kuona ati thirikari ya Kenya no yuge ati quarantine irehwo guku nerehwo kiharo kiria kinene muno kia ndege cia jeshi cia riera-ini Laikipia Air Base. Ciana icio cia Laikipia Air Base mana ciana citu atumia arudaga na wira guku tauni athuri arudaga na wira guku tauni koguo riria marehe Ebola Laikipia Air Base nigi maenda kuraga na twenda kuga wona maga gucenjia uguo mamitware US ni tukwira andu itu maumire barabara na tupinge kureherwo murimu ucio guku na nyukie na Laikipia county. Nĩ tũkĩrire ũmũthĩ kĩroko na kĩbako kĩnene mũno rĩrĩa tuonire rais wa kũrĩa Amerika manyitanĩte na rais wa gũkũ Kenya mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Ruto atĩ makauga gũkũ gwitũ Laikipia East kũrehwo quarantine ya ndwari ya Ebola. Ndĩrenda kwĩra andũ aitũ tũtingĩtĩkĩra ũguo tondũ Laikipia East si dump site ya marwaru. Laikipia East tũbataire kũreherwo maũndũ ma laboratory na maũndũ ma gwĩka research tuone ũrĩa tũngĩhota kũhonia mĩrimũ no ti gũka kũigũrũ quarantine gũkũ twarie andũ aitũ twarie biacara citũ tũthũkie economy itũ.
Na tugithie na mbere na ici ciĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a nĩ ĩkoretwo ĩtacũkĩtie makinya ma naihenya ma kwagĩrithia ũtungata wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na mũno kũhĩtũkĩra tekinoronjĩ ya kĩrĩu. Thirikari ĩno rungu rwa gavana Irũngũ Kang'ata rĩu kũrerĩkana atĩ thĩinĩ wa mathibitarĩ 170 marĩa nĩ ma mũingĩ nĩ mekĩrĩtwo mĩtambo ya satellite ĩrĩa ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩteithĩrĩria harĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũrigiti wa mĩrimũ ĩtiganĩte o ũndũ ũmwe na ũkinyanĩria.
To meet the January 2027 school opening deadline, ladies and gentlemen,
what we've seen today and your vision of making this happen and bringing it to the people, in the same way we've been doing it for education as well for the past 7 years, perhaps important to mention the impact of connected schools, access to the right teacher has been profound.
If automation has actually transformed a facility, it's actually Kirwara. As a manager, it has made our work very easy. We have the visual data from the patient, we have the monetary data, and recently we have now the facility under 24/7 surveillance, which are also internet connected, so I have the facility at my fingertips anywhere, anytime.
Murang'a, when it started its automation journey, the internet provider used to be either of these two, fiber, kwa Kiswahili wire. That's where we get the internet, and the fiber is only in the main town like Murang'a. The other source was what is called Wi-Fi from another service provider of internet. That had a lot of problems. I'm sure those who are here, you have heard complaints that when you go to a hospital, there is no systems. Sumesikia hiyo? Emotigwete ogwo. Bas. Kuanzia today, from today, God willing, that problem has been solved. We have moved away from Wi-Fi internet, from fiber internet, to what is called satellite internet, provided by Starlink.
And we're very excited to work with Murang'a County, not just on healthcare, but this also applies to education. It also applies to government offices. It also applies to private businesses, private enterprises. It applies to police stations, connecting the police stations, and so many more different uses. Internet is a utility today, just like water, just like electricity. The problem is it's historically been very expensive and it's not been accessible to the majority of the population across Africa.
Na riu tufiuke nginyagia motungata-inĩ ma njera. Mwandĩki mũnene wa motungata ma kũrũnga mĩtugo Salome Wairimu Mũhĩambia riu nĩ ũrĩtie mũingĩ ũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo kĩhĩmbĩria ohwo arĩa makorwo makĩrekererio kuma njera na arĩa makorwo makĩrĩkia gũtungata. Kũringana na mwandĩki ũyũ mũkaru aroiga atĩ nĩ makoragwo macenjetie mĩtugo na hatirĩ bata wa gũkorwo magĩthutũkanio. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno amĩheanĩte arĩ kaunti-inĩ kana arĩ mwena wa Kilgoris.
And this is part of the tour of duty. As you recall very well, His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, has really emphasized that us as PSs, accounting officers, need to come to the ground and see the work that is going and to evaluate the projects that are ongoing. And particularly in probation and aftercare, some of the programs that we have really been emphasizing on and that have been going on are on social crime prevention. That is the probation officers going to institutions such as primary schools, hospitals, TVETs, churches, and addressing the youth and the parents and the community leaders, as particularly the opinion shapers in the religious sector, faith sectors, on the utility of preventing crime. And we have seen that probation and aftercare has gained a lot of traction and a lot of visibility in ensuring, for example, that children remain in school and that parents step up and take a more active role in shaping and directing and governing and molding their children, so that they, instead of going out to sell things in the market or engaging in drug addiction or alcoholism, they go back to school. We also talk to the teachers to help mold the children so that the children do not feel constantly threatened when they are in school and they appreciate being in school. The other issue we have been emphasizing on is community probation volunteers, and these are opinion shapers within the community whom the probation officers have been training so that they can help reintegrate and resettle the ex-offenders who have completed their sentences, to move back into society and to work with them and hold their hands as they look for employment. They become more self-sustaining so that we reduce recidivism. We are also looking at the projects that are ongoing and with an emphasis to alternative justice system, as well as in the Kilgoris prison. We shall go and see what projects are ongoing. We are evaluating the projects that are ongoing and the gaps that exist, so that in the next financial year we will be able to help our officers both at the probation and aftercare as well as the prison to participate and to have more of their projects being constructed, so that
na thutha wa kwamukira riboti yo twambe twikirie oro hanini ni turacokereria.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ririkana ni muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku. Wanake wakundu kaiwa tondũ cia wone nyingi ejendaga kaga ya moyo. Wĩrĩtu wakundu kaiwa tondũ cia wone nyingi ejendaga kaga ya moyo.
Hihi we murutwo ureketie form 4 kana muciari urethera mwana wake thukuru, ndugatangike ringi kuona thukuru wa Jewel Technical College riu ni uragwitira intake. Guko arutani aitu ni makinyanire ikiro iria ciagirire na turutaga arutwo tuna mashini cia kiriu na makaheo umenyo uria wagirire kuringana na kothi ciao. Kothi citu ni ta urugi niguo hospitality, uthaka ariguo cosmetology, umemerekia ari journalism and film production, engineering and construction, health sciences, barista training, ICT and artificial intelligence na thiomi cia naja ta German. marihi maitu ni mafashirire uwega gukinyiria gikiro giothe kia murutwo tucerere umuthi Roysambu Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kana no tuhurire thimu kugerera kifugo mugwanja kifugo imwe ithatu kifugo mugwanja imwe niyo 0701 300 071 weheke mieke tanathira. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagira na ithuĩ Kĩheo TV tũgĩkũrehera igongona rĩa kiumia kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Jesus Winner Ministry Roysambu Nairobi. Kiugo kĩa Ngai na ũtungata wa Roho Mũtheru.
Yes. When favor is upon you, hata security iko juu yako. Security hiyo ni kumaanisha hata mshawi na mugaka hawatakuweza.
Ni o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ mũtambo-inĩ wa Kĩheo TV. Kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Bwana Yesu yuko kanene yangu leo amukomeze Sunday give it to me. I know my Yesu I know my God.
Ino ni station ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Naam, karibu ni twacokereria hari ikerekaria keri na ria muthia. Ngwataniro y'ucabithia wa mafuku guku bururi-ini riu ni thiete na mbere na gukorwo igikia mateta ni kiuga ati kumana na thirĩ wa kimanjika gĩa ciringi bilioni 9.5 iria itari irariho ni thirikari riu kuri no hotekeku mati gukorwo makihota gukorwo magicabithia mafuku ma grade 11 kuringana na mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro ĩno kana mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa ngwataniro ĩno Musyoki Moi aroiga ati ucabithia kana acabithia makoretwo mena kahinda karitu kuona ati ona matire na mbeca cia gucabithia mafuku maya.
To meet the January 2027 school opening deadline, ladies and gentlemen, we as publishers are expected to print and distribute approximately 7 million copies within a very tight schedule. Printing alone will require about 60 days, followed by an additional 30 days for nationwide distribution door to door for every school. The success of this exercise, therefore, depends heavily on timely preparation and adequate financial support. These grant plans for grade 11 rollout could be hampered by the serious financial strain that the publishing industry is currently facing due to outstanding payments owed by the government for previously supplied textbooks. At present, publishers are owed approximately Kenya shillings 9.5 billion.
Na wagi wa mawira muhaka-ini wa Kenya mwena wa Busia nikio kihumo kinene muno kio haguku wa ugitiri kuringana na atongoria odomwe na atongoria arĩa nĩ akindini rĩu marathi na mbere no korwo makiuria thirikari ĩkĩmĩtũkio ũndũ ũmwe na maabitha borithi gũkorwo magĩkũrĩra maithore makoretwo makĩagagia thayũ wa mũingĩ. Oho nĩ marathingata ũhoro wĩgiĩ mĩeke ya mawĩra gũkorwo ĩgĩturĩrwo mbeũ njĩthĩ.
Mimi ninaomba vijana pamoja na wamama kwamba tumekuwa na viongozi wengi hapa Burumba na viongozi hao wengi wao hawajatimiza haja ya wana Burumba, lakini kile nitawaomba tu ni kwamba mkaweze kumchagua kiongozi bora ambaye anaenda kuwafikia na kuwawezea hata vijana kuweza kupata kazi na wamama mkaweze kumfikia ili akaweze kuwasaidia na kuwainua ili Burumba ikaweze kubadilika.
Sisi tunaomba serikali kuu watukumbuke sisi vijana wa Marachi. Sisi sio majambazi. Ni kukosa kazi tumekosa, hatuna viongozi wazuri, na sisi raundi hii kama vijana wa Burumba Ward ambayo iko kwa boda na ndio chemichemi ya Busia County, tumeamua kwa usemi mmoja kwamba tutaanza kuanzia chini MCA. Tunaenda pia sisi kufanya uchaguzi ama kuchagua kiongozi tukiwa soba. Kwa hivyo hao viongozi ambao walikuwa wanatuletea vileo tulewe ndo tuwachague, raundi hii hatutalewa. Tutachagua viongozi tukiwa tuko soba.
Tumeona kwamba mambo ambayo yamekuwa hapa sio mambo ya kawaida tu, mambo mengine yanachangiwa na siasa, na tungeliomba wanasiasa wasiingize siasa kwa serikali. Waache serikali ifanye kazi yake na wao wachape siasa kivyao. Na hata pia nilikuwa natoa mwito kwa CS, Super CS Murkomen, atafute nafasi atembee Busia. Akuje aite hawa vijana ambao wanapewa jina la jobless, akae nao chini. Kuna kitu ambacho wanaweza kumwambia ambacho huenda ikawa kitatatua kila jambo ambalo limekuwa likisumbua hapa Busia kwa muda mrefu.
Vijana wetu wapate kazi, vijana wetu wapate kibarua hata ya kufagia town hii. Vijana haitakuwa na nguvu ya kufanya fujo, kwa sababu akitoka kufagia, kuna wakati ingine walitusaidia tu kuandika watoto kama mwezi moja tu, mwezi miwili. Mambo ya fujo iliisha town hii.
Na riboti ni yakure gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tumana mogatho cia mwanya kuri we mwiroreri na timu yothe yakure gitigira ati mohoro mane makorwo megukinyira na njira iria yagirire Juma Wika no iri tumana memereke na njira ya ciekotagwo Lorina Wamboi njitagwo Francis Wairuraga kwendithiria wikendi na umithio.